Welcome to the MrPC RAM Upgrade tutorial. There are a few reasons for upgrading RAM. In this case, a 2-year-old laptop came stock with only 2GB of RAM, causing it to run poorly when multitasking. Before going out and buying new RAM, there is a few things to check. First off, take note of the OS type. A 32-bit OS only makes use of up to 4GB of RAM, whereas a 64-bit OS can take advantage of much more. Secondly, there are a few different types of RAM, but I'll talk about that shortly. On to the disassembly. First of all, disconnect the power and remove the battery. Next, remove the backplate concealing the RAM. This can vary from laptop to laptop, so you may be required to remove the entire back cover. Normally the RAM cover is denoted by a small icon of a RAM stick. To remove the RAM modules, gently push out against the metal side clips. Once released, the modules should pop up on its own. Now you can gently remove it. Each type of RAM has its own speeds. RAM compatibility with motherboards is outside the scope of this tutorial. However, to avoid compatibility issues, I recommend using the same type of RAM as the system came stock with. In this case, we have DDR3 10600 1333 MHz. Unfortunately, different brands sometimes denote these specs differently. For instance, here we see PC3 on one and DDR3 on another. To reinsert the module, angle into the slot at 45 degrees, then gently push into place. Once in place, push down to lock in the side clips. Replace the back plate and battery. To check that the system has detected the changes in hardware, power on and go to System Preferences. The new amount of RAM will be displayed here. Thank you for watching.